Hi Cameron, this is just a quick video to show you what you'll be doing tomorrow. So you're going to be having your devices in this group, and then you're probably going to want to make another group by going down to this plus sign and adding a group. Just give it a name, and you can check the checkbox to make sure it's visible in the tree here in the devices section. And then you open the group, and you might notice that your team is installing one that ends in EB3. The last letters are probably going to be pretty identifiable, so you type EB3. If you don't see it, you'll see it come up, and normally if you double click on it, it gets selected over here, but we found that first you're going to have to sort by last heartbeat. Just click on this so you see this little arrow here. Now you're sorting, and now when you double click on it, it comes up, right? See how there's 12 pages of stuff here? So for example, if I scroll down further and I find one that ends in DEA, I'm sorting, I'm filtering, I'm saying DEA. So I double click on DEA and it went to page 5 and found your DEA. And then if you want to move that one over to your group, right? So now you see your group is there, and you say, okay, I'm moving that one to my test group, and I pick my test group, and I submit, and then it moves it to the test group. So there you go. You can also drag and drop it back here. And finally, you can move things from here too. So if you see something in the tree, or if you see something over here, you can move it into the groups that you're making. And then if you sort by last heartbeat over here, that's showing you the last heartbeat. So they'll come up in the first page. All right, hope that was helpful. Good luck. We'll be standing by.